let's explore the 9th through 12th grade student experience with Ignite Christian Academy by AOP. Each school day, your child will complete lessons by logging into their student dashboard online. Throughout the week, you will support your student using the parent dashboard resources and guide your student to connect with their teachers and counselors as needed. Ignite automatically tracks your child's progress to ensure timely interventions if needed. If your student is in public or private school and seeking makeup credits, they can pursue credit recovery for most courses as needed with Ignite to ensure they stay on track for graduation. A transcript will be provided at the end of the course for those seeking credit recovery. Parents are encouraged to partner with their child on managing their schedule by setting agreed-upon deadlines. Parents are provided pacing guides and due dates to ensure an on-time finish with ICA deadlines. This helps establish their time management and critical thinking skills, along with strong parent-teacher relationships. As your child grows, so will their attention span and capacity to learn. By high school, a student should plan to spend 45 to 60 minutes a day per course lesson. Students also have the opportunity to participate in clubs, fairs, and more with their peers through teacher-moderated platforms. Students entering 11th or 12th grade are encouraged to pursue dual enrollment with our partner schools to earn both high school and college credit for courses completed. You can get started as early as the summer after 10th grade. Learn more about the benefits of dual enrollment for college and career-bound students by attending an info session. Register to attend at ignitechristianacademy.com/dual enrollment. The greatest benefit of Ignite Christian Academy is the ability for students to work at their own pace with the support of licensed teachers and counselors who are committed to help all students grow academically and spiritually through a Christian worldview. Is Ignite Christian Academy right for your high school student? Schedule a free advisor call today